how do we handle stress in these situations?
Yeah, there are two types of stresses now here in this situation. One is the stress because of this pandemic, and another is the stress because of the illness itself. Illness is induced by the stress, and that stress handling needs two things. One is counseling, cognitive behavior therapy is one approach. Stress management, the basic three things in stress management should have been like good sleep, proper diet, and exercise. This has to be there. Then proper communication with colleagues, friends, and relatives, if not personally, then digitally. Then entertainments to be done. Then scheduling of the day should be there. So all these things will manage the stress, but at the same time, stress because of the illness is managed by medicine. And there are specific diagnosis and specific medicine. If you are diagnosing someone as a case of depressive disorder, then the medicine has to be antidepressant drugs. Someone is diagnosed as anxiety disorder, then the treatment has to be in the tune with the diagnosis. Substance use disorder, there is a specified treatment. It's also called a brain disorder. Insomnia, there is again a specified treatment. So the treatment of psychiatric disorder and stress per se is stress management, counseling, and medicine.